name is Geraldine Thomas. I'm a professional makeup artist and I will be recreating Rachel Jones, who is our makeup director for Fashion Art Toronto. Today's makeup look will be for the designer Qweenfecy. So basically this look will consist of a very fierce eyeliner with some fake eyelashes, a very bold yellow with some orange, and also a lot of highlighters setting the skin, good foundation, and basically highlighting the brow bone and detailing the eyebrows. So I'm going to be doing the whole skincare first, the prepping, and then I'm going to start with the makeup. Skin has been prepped, so now I'm going to start with the foundation. But before I add any foundation, I'm going to just add a little bit of this Fix and Plus from MAC. It gives a nice really radiance and luminosity to the skin. Then I'm going to be adding a foundation. This one is from Bobbi Brown. It's actually a serum as well. So and there's an SPF of 40. So then once I do that, I'm also going to be adding some concealer. So to cover any darkness, making sure everything is bright on the skin. And that's the first step to our whole makeup. Now that my skin has the foundation and concealer, I'm going to be setting it with some powder, especially all over the skin and also around the eyes to make sure that everything is set properly. Okay, so we're here to begin with the eyes, and here's a little palette that I made for myself for this specific look. So there's some yellow and orange and a little bit of a burnt brown with some little bit of a highlighter that we're going to be adding also on the brow bone. Now, before I apply this, I will put a little bit of a cream shadow all over the eyelid so the colors can last longer. There's going to be some touch-ups at the show, so in case if you don't have any of these colors, they'll be able to do a touch-up at the show. So now I'll begin with my eyes. You could see there's a lot of colors going on here. There's the yellow, the orange, there's some brown. So gotta just keep blending it all together. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of this highlighter right on top of the brow bone with a very precise brush. And then I'm going to be detailing my eyebrows with a pencil and just fill in and making it very nice and sharp. We want brows that are like more of an Instagram brow, so it has to be very precise. So I took a little bit of hairspray and I just put it on my spoolie and I'm just brushing them all together so they're nice and put together basically. So there. And this is really full brows. Full but very precise eyebrows. Okay, so if we're missing a little bit of highlighter, then I'll just put a bit more, but I think we're okay for now. And now my next step is I'm going to be doing a fierce liner. Now, I'm going to be using this liner from Chanel. So I'm going to be tracing all along my line, and then I'm with the pencil itself, I'm just gonna drag it on top and then like just basically go like this and like that. And I'm gonna be probably taking another little fine brush just to precisely help with the line itself. So then I'll be doing it on both sides. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting some eyelashes to get that oomph out of the look. And then I'm going to basically put some blush, and then I'm going to do the lip. And with that, oh, of course, before when you're applying the lashes, you want everything to be put together on the eyes, which means that you need to apply some mascara to connect everything with your lashes. So I took a little bit of a bronzer actually, just for my cheeks. So I would be a little bit more in the neutral colors, as you could see, very lightly, but we really want to give that highlight on the skin. So a lot of highlighter, especially around the bone of your cheeks, which is right here. And But for blush, I used a bit of more of a bronzer to be more in the neutral colors. And I'm going to be using now a brown lip liner this way, and then I'm just gonna pass it over with this with the Fenty gloss a little bit, like very natural. So here's the final look. And what I just did is just added a little bit more of highlighter. And what I grabbed was actually from an eyeshadow, so I just applied it on top, right here, and on the eyebrow bone to be a little bit more, give it more of a punch on the of highlight. Thank you for watching.